Hello coders and welcome to another How to Code Well JavaScript tutorial. Today we're going to be taking a look at the JavaScript method concat. Now this will concatenate two arrays or more together. Now this won't change the existing arrays, but this will create a new array of the arrays that you supplied. So let's get into the code and take a look at this JavaScript array method. In this example, we're going to use const instead of let because these arrays are not going to be changed. So this demonstrates that. If they were to be changed, then we would get some errors. So let's create two arrays. We're going to call this item 1, and this is going to have an array with the elements of 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's now copy this and paste it on the second line. Change this to be items 2 and change the elements within this array to 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'm going to create a third constant, and this is going to be item 3. Now item 3 is going to be the concatenation between items 2 and items 1. So item 3 is going to equal item 1 dot concat item 2. Let's type console.debug item 3. So what we're doing here is we're calling the concat function against item 1, passing in item 2. This is going to concatenate the item 2 array to item 1. So let's save the work and then run this file in the terminal. So here we can see that we have a single output, which is an array, and this array consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4 is from item 1, and 5, 6, 7, and 8 is from item 2. Now, as I mentioned before, we haven't modified these existing arrays. So, for example, if I was to copy this and paste this between item 1 and item 2, pass in item 1 here, and also do the same below, pass in item 2, save the work, and then run this in the terminal once more, we can see that we have the original arrays here. So this is item 1, this is item 2, and this is the concatenation of item 1 and item 2 together. At the start of this tutorial, I said that we could pass in multiple arrays to concatenate. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to change items 3 to item 4. And we're going to copy item 2, paste it underneath, call this item 3. And then we're going to have 9, 10, 11 and 12 as the elements of item 3. Now we're going to pass item 3 into item 1's concatenation call. Okay, let's run this in the terminal. So we can see that this is the new item 3 output, and this is the concatenation of all 3 arrays, all the way from 1 to 12. If you found this programming tutorial useful, then do let me know, give it a thumbs up, and also do subscribe to the How to Code Well YouTube channel to get more tutorials like this. If you've got a coding question, then please do ask, but do so on our Discord server. Go to howtocodewell.net/Discord to join. All of this code is available. It's in the link in the show notes below. Thank you ever so much for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Cheers. Bye.